I had a plan for bringing 30 artists into the gallery and giving each one of them space to show and promote their work.
I'm really excited. It's been so much work to get the fair off the ground. All the artists came last night to install their work. 30 artists descending on the gallery all at once. Within a couple of hours, we had the whole fair installed. Today is opening day. We just opened the door, a bunch of people came in. I'm really excited about Emerge. First fair we've ever produced at Plush Gallery.
Walking through the space in the first hour of the fair, I could already feel a buzz of excitement in the air. The first artists gathered, expressing and exchanging ideas, giving me a glimpse of what was to come. We set up the chairs for our first discussion, a roundtable on building your art career.
Also right there. Also right here.
And the roundtable artists are like 3 of them?
So thanks everyone for coming out to Emerge, our first art fair ever at Plush Gallery. And so the first kind of formal event we have within the fair today will be an artist roundtable. It's titled Building Your Art Career. And I invited 2 of the artists from Plush Gallery who show here, Dwayne Carter and Jackie Blanco. They're going to participate and share their insights.
So Dwayne Carter, I showed here at Plush. I have a show this summer. And I will also have a show at the Arts Fort Worth that some of you live over there. I've got some large-scale digital prints I'll be showing. Something I've done most recently is I've worked with a lot of the zine fairs. So I do these Madness zines, and some of you have seen these. And I like it because it's a sense of community. You can network. They have zine fairs in Houston, Austin, everywhere. I did go to grad school. I think for most serious artists, when I was young, the idea is get your bachelor's, and then if you decide you want to teach, which I did, get that master's degree. But these days, there are other avenues.
Hey guys, I'm Jacqueline. I actually joined Plush back in 2019. I had my first solo exhibition here. Randall actually found me through John Pomara's Instagram. John was actually mentoring me. He was my professor. And John actually posted a piece of mine in one of his on his Instagram page, and Randall really enjoyed it. And so he came to my studio. And after that, I've been part of Plush.
I started a YouTube channel about 3 years ago and began vlogging, and I've really enjoyed that. You don't expect instant results, but over time you can start building a following through a YouTube channel. And the thing I like about YouTube is that it's, assuming that the internet doesn't go away and the world doesn't die, which everything does. But as permanent as things are, I'm hoping my YouTube channel will still be there when I'm gone, and maybe people will still be interested in watching the videos.
There are a number of local galleries that do show local artists, though, these days. So the avenue is there. It's just they're harder to do. They've got a stable of like 10 people, and you could be lucky and be one of those 10, and then you've got somebody out there at the Dallas Art Fair today promoting your work.
Well, I'm a server, but I work night shifts, and it's like with all my responsibilities, I have to find a way to manage my time. Mm-hmm. So it's usually going to be after I get off work or on my day off, and I usually have only 2. Yeah. So I can only do like 10 hours a week or a little bit less. Yeah. It's just trying to get my work done. Like the last painting I showed is a 3x4. But it took me like 4 months to complete because it's super detailed. And I'm like, I don't want to paint, but I have to paint. Or if not, I have to wake up early and start painting. Yeah.
If there's one takeaway that I would share getting started in my art career is that it's all about the social network, and it's all about connecting with others. I like to feel that I have agency in my life. So the odds were stacked against me. No gallery like in 1996 wanted to show my work. but I feel that we have agency and the ability to take power into our own hands, and that's where DIY comes in. So to me, it's all about the social networks that you create and how you choose to leverage that. You know, have your apartment shows and invite people over to your house. I love going to shows where people are showing their art in the backyard and eating barbecue and standing around talking about art. To me, those are some of the most interesting ways to experience art that has nothing to do with a commercial gallery space. 500X still growing strong.
500X is doing bigger, better things. It's better than ever. You know, all of our shows are great, well attended. Everybody brings their A game. We get what it's like. We're in it too. So we're very artists minded, artist centered. So we're friendly. We're a friendly place to be. We'll treat you right. We're not gonna look down at our nose at you.
Well, hey, thanks everyone for participating in our first discussion of the Emerge Fair. And I appreciate all of you being here. And since we've been talking about this whole thing about networking, it's like just look around and see who's right next to you. We all potentially can connect and can help promote each other's careers. So to me, that's where it all starts.
This first day of the Emerge Fair was off to a great start. The artists were there, getting to know each other. Our patrons were coming in to see the work, engaging in conversations with the artist, and our DJ Altoon C was all set up and helping establish the vibe for the event. I couldn't have imagined a better start to our first ever art fair here at Plush.
This guy always sets the vibe.
I mean, the vibe's already here, you know, so I just flow with what I've already seen and came into. I really appreciate Randall putting this together for all the artists and the people in the city. So we're looking for more of this. Artists, check in, get ready for the next one. It's Altoon C signing out.
Check it out, Altoon C, Mr. Lo-Fi.
The Lo-Fi Guy. Peace.
Peace out.
And just like that, the first day of the Emerge Fair was on the books. And I was able to reflect on how this new event was a success at promoting the mission of my gallery to support emerging artists.